Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone theme on your Samsung phone. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Samsung phone. Then you're going to select the phone theme setting. This one, tap on the themes option. Then you can select a theme from Galaxy Themes that can make your phone look aesthetic. And as you can see that we have to pay to get the theme, but don't worry guys, because we can still get the free theme. We can click on the search button right here. Then you're going to select the theme that you want, but before you select the theme, you can choose the categories, or you can choose the color palette. And for example, I'm going to select this category. Then click on this option, and you're going to click on top free to get the free theme. Okay, and this is the list of the theme that we can apply to our Samsung phone, and you can choose the aesthetic one. Okay, and for example, I'm gonna go with this theme because I think it looks aesthetic. Then we can tap on the theme. Then after that, we can click on download and wait until the theme has been downloaded on your phone. And after the theme has been downloaded, we can tap on the apply button to apply the theme to our Samsung phone. After the apply button appear, we can tap on the apply button, then the theme will be applied. Okay guys, and now the theme has been applied to our phone, and that's how we can change phone theme on a Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.